Hey guys, Kev here, and we're gonna open some fidgets today. So I've actually had two packages come in from Geeone.com. They are a fidget dealer, and you can check them out. I'll put a link down below. Use my code LeftyEDC. It'll save you 10% off. They have all the new fidgets that come out, all the whiz bang stuff, and I have not unboxed the package they sent me like a month ago, and they just sent me another one, so I should probably get to these. I've just been really backed up. I'm not constipated, you know what I mean. All right, let's check them out. The first one is a MOT Studios box. I actually have two of those boxes. I have this box, and then I have this box. I have this big ass box. So we've got all types of fidgets here. And I actually have fidgets from a new fidget company. Maybe we'll do a separate video on that, but it's a knife company that is now doing fidgets, which is pretty cool. Or just EDC items. But anyway, MOT. Let's see what we got here. Usually I can't, yep. This is made in November, I guess. I got that much out of it. Ooh. Ooh. I love how they always seal it with the thing down on the end where the tear piece is. So it's never a clean tear. Oh, that wasn't bad. This is nice. That feels like titanium, if I do say so myself. Make sure there's no spare parts and shit in here. So we just have that, but maybe these two came together. I don't know. We're gonna find out. This looks fun though. Oh, right off the rip. Very simple. You have some detents in here, and then you have some balls in there. Oh, I bet you. Oh, yeah, boy. Simple, yet very, very fun. And it's not too big. They usually feel like too huge, or they make them out of stainless and then they feel ridiculously heavy. This just feels comfortable. This is really nice. It's got some crazy shit going on. Anime, or what is this, some kind of dragon with a bunny? My kid's gonna love this probably. I mean, dude, listen to that. It's not super strong or anything, but it's satisfying. This is really nice. No magnets. So this right here is a little loop thing for a chain, for a necklace. So you could wear this around your neck, which would work with titanium. And I wonder if you could make this stronger, weaker, you know. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice. Sorry, I'm loving this thing. This might be my new favorite fidget. It's just so comfortable. The manipulation just, I feel right at home with this thing. I'm gonna shut up. Let's open this one. Oh man, I was kind of hoping it was another one of those because I really like it. This is the Gourd. This is one I've seen a few times. I think it's like kind of expensive, and it's shaped like, well, you guessed it, a gourd, which, yes, is the same thing as like a squash or whatever. Ooh, okay. Plastic of some kind, but it feels cool. Is that like a button at the top? Oh, it's made out of peak, which is like pay, but I guess just solid colors. I don't know. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Get a little clicky on top. Oh. Oh, this thing, that's cool. It jumps. I'll show you. So this spins, obviously. Oh my God, this is cool. So that's a spinner. But then it's also like a haptic coin. Wonder if it's easier to hold it this way. Kind of trying to figure out the best manipulation. Easier to get it off the magnets than it is get it on the magnets. Very interesting. Now you could spin this too, I guess. That's pretty wild. Not sure how you take it apart. How do they put it together? I'm guessing if I pull hard enough, I can rip this out. Yeah, look, right here's something. So, post, O-ring, makes sense. More O-rings. Obviously a bearing inside of there somewhere. It has opposing magnets, and then also, like right there, they're opposing. I guess when it's in between a jump. Interesting. So maybe if you set it a certain way, you can get it to function the way you want. But then see, there's magnets on here too. So I'm trying to figure out the purpose of those are. You can't rotate this piece. Right? See that? You can't rotate that piece. This doesn't rotate. So what's the point of that? Just to have the magnets to help keep it together? I guess. It's interesting. So if you lift it at the right time, it pushes away. Right? Like right there, it's opposing. Right? But then it like gets close and it pulls it in. It's so weird. Trying to just think if there's a way to like roll it in your fingers and do it or something. I don't know, but I like it. It's pretty cool. Unique and interesting. Thank you. I appreciate that. Little bunny on the bottom. All right, MOT. You guys killed it. Great job. What's this thing? This looks cheap. Let's see what we got. Okay. What the fudge? Jesus. Okay. Oh, this is MOT too. Oh, so this is a kit. Oh my God, look at all this shit. That's for this thing, I think. I recommend not fucking with these because it gets hairy, man. It gets hairy. But, again, I want to shout out MOT, guys, because look at this kit. They literally give you fucking tweezers to pick up springs and balls and shit. Now, I have my own at this point because I learned my lesson. But how cool is that? They give you the tweezers. They give you the flag driver, little T6 or whatever this is, T8. They give you a little flathead. And they give you this thing, a little boombox, dude, so you can listen to music. Very cool. Stickers are over here. You know, I said this looked cheap, but this, I thought it was a case for another fidget. This is actually, oh, and instructions. No way. They've actually given instructions before? For once? Oh, they're all in Chinese, though, unfortunately. Well, straight. Rotation. I don't know what that's trying to tell me. It's for this, right? Wait, it says straight. The paragraph. Density increase, additional resistance. C. So I think they're saying if you add these in the C, You'll get additional resistance. Rotation the paragraph density increase. I don't fucking know. If you're trying to say like a combination will tell you certain things. Recommend assembly. Plan A. Silicone nitride, spring, Teflon. They have silicone nitride springs? No way. Yes, they do. Look at that. Holy shit. Dude, this is impressive. Props. These are silicone springs? There's no way, dude. They're black, but there's no way. Can you make a spring out of silicone nitride? I don't think so. Maybe they just mean silicone nitride ball. But look, they have Teflon balls, steel balls, silicone. I mean, this is an impressive kit right here, I gotta say. MOT, you get 2 thumbs up from me. Hell yeah. This thing's baller too. You gotta do it from the dragon side though. Man, I'll tell you, titanium makes such a difference on fidgets. Either titanium or this plastic stuff feels so good compared to steel. Zirc is good too, but all right, got those. This is probably just a little thing from Geeone. Again, if you want any of this stuff, check out Geeone.com. Use the code LeftyEDC. You get 10% off. Okay. You got a bearing and a driver. I think this came with... Oh, okay. It's probably for this. Maybe that bearing fits in here. Yeah, but... Man, I don't see how you get to the bearing in there. It's pretty much glued in there, right? And there's no way this isn't on a bearing. I mean, look at that. It's not just spinning around that post. So there's definitely a bearing in there. And in there. I don't know how you would get to the one in here. But makes me wonder if you can do different stuff. But I don't know what you would do. Could you flip this over? I don't think so. Oh, wait. No. If you took the O-ring off, would you be able to... Just for shits and giggles. Can't do anything there. Doesn't work that way. Makes no sense, right? But that is how you could now unscrew here, here, and here and get in there. I don't know what would be in there, but a bearing, I guess. And there is no bearing inside of here. So it's this post that's spinning, I guess. Yeah, this is really well thought out. So I'm guessing if I unscrew this plate comes out, and then there's going to be a bearing under there. I don't think this is the right tool, though, is it? Oh. Nah, this kit must be for something else. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not disassembling that. Oh, wait. I gotta put the sucker back on. So it goes on this way, and then we put the O-ring on. I actually have a box of these green O-rings, so I'd probably have this one if I ever broke it. And then you just shoot, and you're back together. Okay, let's check out this one. It has the shark face on it. Definitely gonna be good. Deep sea black reef, sorry. Ah, man, I was trying to get it to spin off and fly across the room so you guys thought it looked cool or something. Ooh, what it is. Dude, what the fudge? What? Okay. We got a black reef bag. Reef? I don't know why that sounds funny to me. Screws and a little barrel or something. And a piece of paracord in case you want to, you know, strap up. Put this on your neck, boy. What the fuck is this thing? Is this a chainsaw? I don't want to know what's in this giant box either. Oh boy. Well, we were 2 for 2 there. Let's see how we do. This looks like a spinner, right? Ooh, I like this. So we got a crown right here. We got a ball that spins. So that hangs down. And then you got this chainsaw. Oh, it's the same brand. So this is the same brand as whatever the fuck's in here. Maybe just accessories. But this chainsaw just falls. It's not doing anything crazy. Oh, wait. It rotates that way. So what does that do? I see like a latch here. I don't know what the fuck is going on. This is nuts. Uh-oh. I just did something. Oh, yeah. What'd that do? Oh, I thought it was going to go all the way down. Look, there's a little stopper there. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get out of there. Get out of there, boy. All right, let's see. Now it should go down. Ooh. So you flip it up, jam it down. That's what she said. And it goes backwards. Wonder what that idea is. Oh, what? Look at this. Oh, yeah, dude. And I guess you could lock it in place. Is that what I can do here? Wait, it didn't do anything. Now what did that do? Now it can only go, oh, now it can only go up and down. That is fun, by the way. Again, this is a manual one. So there's detents, springs, that kind of thing. Is there more to this? Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels good. I like it. Dude, this might be expensive. I think this is zirconium and gold anode. So you get a baller spinner on a little bead thingy. Look at that. I think that's zirc. Very nicely machined anyway, whatever it is. This arm is loosey-goosey. Don't think it does anything though. Then you got the click wheel, which is really satisfying. That is nice. Then you have this thing. I guess it just does what we saw earlier. This guy goes up and down. Very satisfying. And then you can unlatch it like so. Now, it'll go up and fold down. Can I, look at that. You can bounce it. You can kind of bounce it down. This is crazy. Wondering if I can do some tricks with this thing. Like, I really want to see how far it can go, but I don't want to break it either. don't think you're supposed to do anything wild with that. Is this still... There we go. Come on, boy. Unlock my shit. Because before it was just loose, right? It was like falling down. Now it... Oh, there it goes. Look at that. You can just wing it. All right, this thing's freaking cool, whatever it is. All right, let's see. What's in this fucking box? It feels empty, honestly, so... Ah, I knew it. I knew it. It was the fucking packaging for this thing. So, you have a card. Let's see. But because of the bead... Well, the size is not exactly right. Maybe there's something else in here, but I don't think so. And then you have a flag and some springs and screws and shit, extra stuff. Yeah, I don't think anything else is in here. Oh, they show you how... Thank you. Seriously, it took like 5 years for them to start including pictures or something to show you. So over here, he's doing what? Can't do anything with this, right? I just keep thinking there's something I'm missing with this thing. Can you like roll it out with this? No. Well, almost. Got that moved down. Showing the locking pins. And then he's rolling the wheel. Yeah, I think it's all the shit I was doing. Cool. That's awesome. I wonder why they, why would they send this? I don't quite get that. Maybe you can buy it 2 different ways. Like this would have all fit in here, right? And then, maybe because of the bead, it wouldn't fit. Or maybe it just doesn't fucking fit in there. I don't know. Maybe this thing, I feel like this thing might be an add-on, but I could be wrong. Anyway, it's cool as shit. Does it say Zerk on there or anything? Maybe. If I could read that, it would say that, but cool. Let me know what you guys think of the Fidgets this month. I think we hit a bunch of winners. Few winners here. They're all different and they're all interesting as hell. You know, I'm actually impressed with all of them. So it's been a while since I feel like I've been this impressed. Is that carbon fiber in there? No, it's just oil, right? That's wild. Real quick, we'll look it up, see what these things cost, because some of you might be interested in buying them. You might want to know what they cost. So MOT has these. It's a different kind of thingy-majiggy, and it looks really nice. I would definitely rock that thing. So let's see what we got. There's just so much shit. That looks similar, right? I think that is the same thing. Look. Um, 90 cents. Ooh, that looks good, dude. I love a good slider, man. Ooh, that looks sick right there. The rabbit. So it's a rabbit, and you click it up and down. Ooh. Dude, I've missed some cool shit. They have knives. That's pretty funny. Dude, yeah. The pill bug's still banging, huh? We'll just search. This thing, what's the brand again? SEKI? Is that on the list here? Well, we have MOT. Let's click on that one so we can see. There's the dragon, baby. The Groove Slider. Glows in the dark, dude? What glows in the dark? No way. No way. Damn, that's fucking bright, isn't it? Nah, none of that glows in the dark. What you talking about, Willis? What glows in the dark? Oh, they sell a glow-in-the-dark one? Or what? I don't get it. Mine's titanium. This one? No. Mine's got like pink on it and shit. Mine's fucking cool, alright? That kind of looks like it. I mean, I don't fucking know, dude. Titanium silver dragon. Titanium blue dragon. Oil slick. Ooh, that's nice too. Titanium orange dragon. Ours isn't orange, is it? I don't know. This is fucking difficult to tell. Looks pink to me, dude. What's this one? Silver? No. Titanium silver dragon coating purple shell. I don't know. Golden dragon and orange dragon purple shell. But either way, ours is fucking cool. Props to the MOT team for killing that. It's called the Groove Slider. Holy shit. Okay, titanium $199. These are $339, I guess, because there's some other shit going on that I can't tell. Or maybe it comes with two. It almost looks like it comes with an extra top. I don't know. I feel dumb. You get my point. $199 though for the normal people ones. All right, let's search SEKI. There it is. It's the Cyber Core. The Cyber Core. $239. Yeah, it's Zerk and black gold color. And then accessory, you can get the ball. And that's another $85 in Zerk. Oh, wait. And then you get the horseshoe. I don't have... Oh, yeah, dude, I got the horseshoe. I got the whole kit, baby. So it's $125 and $85. So we're talking about $200 plus $239. There's like a $450 toy right here. Shit. Glad I said it was good. It really is. It's excellent. I really enjoy that. And the fact that you can change it up, you know, you can lock it down and make it just a regular kind of slider up and down is really cool. And the clicker's good. Yeah, excellent toy right here. The Cyber Core. Well done, SEKI. And then we have the Gourd. This guy's been around a while. I spelled that wrong, but they got it. $139 on this one. In this smooth peak material. Oh, they have Ultim too. That's pretty cool. The Gourd is designed by MOT. Round and thick shaped, adopting transparent style and experience. Fixed by screws and O-rings. It's easy to disassemble and not easy to lose and shake. It's not just a spinner. It's a haptic coin and can press. Yeah, that's correct. Looks like they have a gourd pendant and a gourd with sword. It's awesome. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think they're awesome. Of course, I didn't pay for these, so, you know, you got to take what I say with a grain of salt, because if I had spent $200 on this, I'd still like it. I don't know if I'd be as excited because I spent $200. You know, it's a lot of money for a fidget. I get that. $450 over here. But if that's what makes you happy, you know, knives and other things make me happy, and so do fidgets. A lot of them. So you decide what makes you happy in life. And if it's one of these, go over to Geeone.com and use my code LeftyEDC10. You'll save 10% on your $450 purchase of the Cybercore. Just saying. All right, I love you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you to Geeone. Really appreciate you guys. And I'll get back on track with those videos. Love it. Catch you guys later. Peace.